Good day, Santa Clarita. Today's April 15th, 2025. This is going to be your market update. I'm going to include a 7-day snapshot and also some tips about buyer broker agreements. But let's look at that 7-day and give you an idea what's happening currently as we are in to April of 2025, about midway through. We have 12 coming soon listings. 80 new listings have entered the market in the last 7 days. 91 properties have had their prices changed. That's actually a very typical number. We're watching sellers kind of scurry to get that pricing just right so they can get some buyer activity. Back on market properties, 29. That's also an interesting figure because these are properties that went into escrow with buyers that really wanted to buy the property. Something happened and then they've fallen out and gone back onto the market. That's something to pay strict attention to. Also, we do have closed sales 54 in this last week. We have about 85 properties that have entered escrow, currently in escrow now. We have 10 listings that have expired, 14 listings canceled, 7 have been put on hold, 5 have been withdrawn from the market. So those properties that have gone back on the market, also the properties that have expired and have been withdrawn, are interesting to look at for you buyers out there, and that is something you want to pay strict attention to. In addition, the coming soon listings are also incredibly important to look at, and if you're not seeing those, and you won't be unless you're getting a specific email from your real estate agent, you're not going to see the coming soon listings, so that's something to reach out for them to get. Now, 80 new listings does show that this spring inventory growth is going to include more choices for buyers and also more competition for sellers. We still see properties selling within a few days, depending on how they are priced on the market, also what that particular buyer drive happens to be for those individual neighborhoods. Now, with the coming soon properties, we have a property coming up in Veteran Village. It could be hitting the market today. It could also be hitting 21 days from now, priced at $585,000, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and that's a corner view lot. We do have a VA qualified buyers on that one only, which is interesting, so reach out to me if you want more information. Canyon Country on Ada Street, we have a 4+3, 2,100 square feet, priced at $725,000. Let me get a couple more. Canyon Country on Zion, 830 grand. That's going to be entering the market here coming up. Rolling Greens Way, Saugus, $990,000. That's going to be coming up. And one in Valencia on Marquee Drive. This one's almost 3,000 square feet, almost 4 million, $1,390,000. That one is going to be coming on the market soon. Now, you want to see the coming soon listings, you go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com/coming soon. You'll be able to see everything there that is coming soon, and I'll be able to send those to you. Just give me the city that you're interested in and other parameters, but if you just leave it wide open, I'll send you everything. Then you can make those decisions, and whatever you want to see, we'll just set that up and get it done. Also, if you're going to be signing buyer broker agreements, it could be with one agent for one property, one moment, and it could take a 90-day span of time, and it could be any property and then everything in between. So make sure you read the small print on that buyer broker agreement to keep yourself safe. I'm Connor with Honor. I hope everybody's well. We will see you in the next one.